It is a great time to be a home seller in Raleigh. In this video, we are going to dive into Raleigh's real estate market update for August 2021. Before we get started, I have a question for you, and drop your answers in the comment section below. What is the average sales price, or what was the average sales price for a home in Raleigh in July of 2020, just last year? Please feel free to pause this and put your answer in the comment section. All right, the answer is $367,000. Now keep that number in mind as I share with you today's number, because it is truly a great time to be a home seller in Raleigh. Buyers, be sure to stick around because I will be sharing with you where I believe is the best place to buy a home and get the most bang for your buck right now in the Triangle. All right, let's jump into it. In general, buyers are still having a tough time finding and getting a home under contract. And this month, there was a 1.5% decrease in the number of new homes for sale when compared to this time last year. But if you dive into the numbers, the number of resale homes, meaning homes that are already built, is actually slightly up by 0.5% this year. But the number of new construction home sales is down 14%. Yes, 14%. New home sales are down for a few reasons, and some of them are supply chain slowdowns, permitting delays, and not enough skilled workers. All of these challenges have caused home builders to adjust how they go about selling homes. It seems as if builders are rationing their sales due to the challenges they are facing. And even though I don't like it, it is smart for them to do so in today's market. Real quick, if this video has been helpful or if it is insightful in any way, please do me a favor and hit that like button, as it shows YouTube that I'm providing content that people find valuable. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. On this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and North Carolina. If any of those things interest you, you are in the right place. Now let's get back to the video. Presently, home sale prices are skyrocketing in Raleigh and the Triangle area. So for home builders, as opposed to selling lots when they become available, builders are usually releasing anywhere from 2 to 8 lots at a time. And although it appears that that is slowing down their numbers, they have a huge wait list of buyers just chomping at the bit, anticipating for their number to be called upon so they can make an offer or bid on that property. And then when the home buyers' numbers are called and they're alerted that they're in the running for a lot, the builder has increased the requirement for earnest money deposit. So during this time, the buyers on the wait list, home prices have gone up, lot premiums have gone up, and builders are requiring more money down. And I've seen a significant increase in the required earnest money deposit. A year ago, the earnest money deposit was anywhere from $1,500 to 5% of the purchase price of the home. Today, presently, the earnest money deposit is anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to 10% of the purchase price of the home. And I know a lot of buyers don't want to hear this, but the 10% earnest money deposit is more the norm. But reach out to us so I can provide you with the exact information for the builder you're considering. Now, if you're a buyer and looking for a resale home, the competition is still very tough, but the numbers are getting better for you and looking more in your favor. The number of closed home sales dropped 14.5% from this time last year, and that's consistent with the 14% drop in new home constructions that hit the market. The month supply of inventory is down over 45% from this time last year, and it's sitting at 0.8 months. Now that's actually positive news for you buyers out there, because the inventory is actually up 0.2% from June and 0.3% from May of this year. So if you're looking for a home now, right now is the best chance in the past 3 months to get a home under contract. So my tip is for you buyers out there to take advantage of all those other buyers who are distracted while getting their kids back to school. Earlier in the video, we played a little game and I ended up sharing with you that the average sales price for a home in Raleigh back in 2020, July of 2020, was $367,000. While today, the average sales price for a home is $467,000. $100,000 increase in the average sales price in just 1 year. And that is why I said it's a great time to be a home seller in Raleigh. Yes, inventory is picking up, but it is still a seller's market, and there will have to be about 9 times as many homes on the market for the market to even be balanced. Now, for you buyers who stuck around, here's what I promised you. You're wanting to buy a home and get the most bang for your buck, so you want the inside scoop on where that might be. Come here, get a little closer. You want to go to Gardner, North Carolina. Now, I know Gardner isn't Raleigh, but as I mentioned, Raleigh's average sales price right now is $467,000. Gardner's average sales price is $321,000. Gardner is still in Wake County, so you're not going all out into the country, but yes, you still have a suburban, small town feel. And depending on traffic, you can get to downtown Raleigh anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And you can get to downtown Durham in 30 minutes. So please check out Gardner, North Carolina. And if you need any assistance buying or selling a home in Raleigh, Durham, or anywhere in North or South Carolina, my team and I look forward to helping you. Reach out to us. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.